Well, hey guys, just a really quick little project here. A friend of mine brought this over. It's a practically brand new Craftsman little suitcase generator, and it won't start. So my theory always with small engine stuff is it's fuel, it's the carb.
Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the billman will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out a dream, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach.
I pulled the air filter out. I want to see if there's fuel in the bowl. This being a drain. Well, yeah. We got fuel in the bowl. So that would suggest to me that we're getting fuel to the carb, but not maybe out of the carb. Maybe a little Dr. Pepper will help, but we need a refill. On second thought, it's going to be a little bit easier to get some quick start in there. Open it to run. That's going to get enough in there. I pulled the side off, basically 4 screws in the handle, a couple screws on either side from the plates, 3 bolts on the bottom, and the whole thing comes off, and there's our carburetor. So that's where we're at right now. We're going to pull it off and see what we can see. Alright, back after the little Jenny here. I've been working away on the Gilson seat, but I was hoping that I could just drop the bowl off, but to get the air box off, the bolts are in there somewhere, and just looks like it's not going to be that easy to get to, so I am just going to remove the carburetor so we can work on it, starting with the choke cable, position of which I have marked, make my life easier down the road. Now, actually, I believe the choke run off switch doubles as a fuel shut off, so it does indeed, so we shouldn't lose too much fuel. There we are. Okay. There we are. There are actually a few plugged holes on this. Whether that's bad enough to cause our issue, though. Oh. Goes through now. Had to drop it, that was all. It was plugged. Well, I'm going to put it back together. That's too much. Too much. 12.5 amps. The maximum. No, it should work. Should pull that up. Come on. I don't understand. Was starting good. All right, the long and short of it is this generator, kind of had it running and then it kind of won't. It won't run under load. Sometimes it seems like it's not getting fuel. Sometimes it seems like it's running rich. There's no adjustments really available. There's no parts available even that I can find. I can find replacement carbs for bigger units, but they're quite a bit different. Could they be modified to work? I don't know. They're not that much money. But for now, it's going to have a bath. I need to plug it in. Right, so as I was saying, it's going to have a bath. And that's annoying. So I'm going to go do other things.